Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super helpful topic: how to add money to someone else's Amazon account in 2025. Whether you're surprising a friend with a gift card for their birthday or helping a family member stock up on essentials, this guide will make it easy and straightforward. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to have your own Amazon account set up and logged in. Make sure it's the one with the payment methods you want to use. Now, head over to the Amazon website or app. I'll be using the website for this example. Once you're in, navigate to the Gift Cards section. You can find this by hovering over the Accounts and Lists drop-down in the top right corner and selecting Gift Cards. Next, choose the type of gift card you want to send. Amazon offers a variety of options, like e-gift cards, which are perfect for adding money directly to someone's account. Select Email as the delivery method since we're targeting another person's account. You'll need their email address associated with their Amazon account. Double-check it to avoid any mix-ups. Now, for the fun part, customize your gift card. Pick the amount you want to add. It can be anything from $5 to $2,000, depending on Amazon's limits in 2025. Add a personal message to make it special, like, "Enjoy this for your next shopping spree." Then, proceed to checkout. You'll be prompted to enter your payment details if you haven't already. After confirming your purchase, Amazon will send the gift card via email to the recipient. Once they receive it, they'll need to redeem it on their Amazon account. They can do this by clicking the link in the email and following the instructions, which will add the funds directly to their account balance. A few quick tips. Always ensure the recipient has an active Amazon account linked to that email. Also, keep an eye on any fees or taxes that might apply, though Amazon gift cards are generally straightforward. And remember, this isn't a direct bank transfer. It's through gift cards, so it's secure and easy. There you have it. Adding money to someone else's Amazon account is a breeze. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.